A very good evening. I am Professor Gyanbote from tradingteacher.in. So today we are going to learn about the next week, the calls, and how we can trade in the next week on the Forex market. So very first of all, in front of you, we are having USDJPY pair, and it is pair currently trading at 142.30, and I am here on the investing.com site Serenco charting, and this is the very simple method to predict the market. So I'm trying here to predict the market. The USDJPY is on a currently downtrend, and we are on a 1 hour chart, and we are around the support area. So if we change the time frame on 4 hour, it is saying us, so it is going some upward direction. So but it is the major downtrend was down, so we can see 141.93 in the next week. Okay. So the next pair is one AUDJPY. So in the AUDJPY, it is also trending down. Current value is 95.40 around, 95.55 around. You can see 95.29. But in the next week, we can see the downward levels up to here, 93.80. So you can plan your trades accordingly. The market is pushing down. So if we see it on a daily time frame, it is also giving you a down signal. So I have plotted some resistance support areas here. So you can see the 95.10, 94.80, and next 93.90 in the next week very soon. So this is the target around 100 pips, so you can plan your trades accordingly. So next pair is GBPJPY. It is also going downward, and it is just past the support level around 180. Okay, so it is just crossed below the 180, and we can see the very down movement, most down movement in the next coming days up to 178, and very soon it is currently showing us the top double triple top bottom, double top bottom, double bottom time frame. So I am applying the horizontal line here, so you can see this is the resistance area, and this is also one of the major resistance area, and the market has pushed down up to below this level. So we can see the 179 level is very soon, and this is the very crucial support for the market for the pound yen. Okay, so when we cross, if the market is successful to close the below down of 178 level or 179 level, so you can see the downfall in the market in the upcoming year. So pound will getting lower, and the USD pairs will go higher. Okay, so this is all about the Japanese pair analysis, and thank you very much. So I'm stopping here. Bye bye from tradingteacher.in.